President Trump's controversial agenda is now in the hands of the Supreme Court.
The justices are debating whether federal judges can issue sweeping injunctions to block his executive orders, including a ban on birthright citizenship.
Fox's Rebecca Castor recaps today's arguments.
Hundreds of protesters, many of them immigrants, gathered outside the Supreme Court Thursday, speaking out against President Trump's executive order to end birthright citizenship.
More than anything else, we believe that if you are in America, you are an American.
Trump wants to deny citizenship to children born in the U.S. whose parents are here illegally. But critics say it's a violation of the 14th Amendment, which states, all persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are citizens of the United States and of the state wherein they reside. And some justices do not seem eager to overturn that law.
If I were in your shoes, there is no way I'd approach the Supreme Court with this case.
As far as I see it, this order violates 4 Supreme Court precedents.
But the White House also wants the Supreme Court to rein in federal judges who use sweeping injunctions to block the president's policies, like the birthright citizenship EO. And the justices will have to consider the legality of nationwide injunctions when ruling on this case.
The practical problem is that there are 680 district court judges, and they are dedicated and they are scholarly, and I'm not impugning their motives in any way, but you know, sometimes they're wrong.
This case was fast-tracked to the High Court, and a ruling could come in days or weeks. If the justices rule in President Trump's favor, a lot of his executive actions that are tied up in court may be allowed to take effect. Outside the Supreme Court, Rebecca Castor, Fox News.
Military commanders will be told to identify service members who are transgender or have gender dysphoria for medical checks. Now, this follows President Trump's directive to ban transgender individuals from serving. Active duty troops have 3 weeks, June 6th, to self-identify, while National Guard and Reserve members have until July 7th. Those who volunteer to leave will get double the usual separation pay. Officials say that the process could be lengthy and complex.